Today we are evaluating the car after round 3. I haven't touched it since we developed an oil leak at the end of the night. It may be coming from one of the fittings on the oil filter, and we're actually going to be hooking up the oil cooler. So we're gonna take all the lines off. We're going to reconfigure some of the lines and move them away from the headers a little bit more. I don't think it's affecting it right now, but it is leaking progressively worse. You can actually see there's oil all over the firewall and the head and the headers. So it's just my luck, I guess. We're gonna get the wheels swapped out. We're going to get this up to the shop, put it on the rack. And I see something hanging from the gas tank too, so we'll have to see whatever that is. Damage from the tire, the exhaust tip I had here tacked on fell off and actually melted the gas tank shroud. So we'll have to weld on a new elbow. I actually have to fix the hanger that broke off when I went off track. I need to rewrap or resecure headers because I went off track. And then we will be putting on fenders. So we'll see if the car looks okay with fenders with the radiator sticking out 17 feet. Now we're going to pull off the oil filter lines, clean everything up, get all the oil off of it. Hopefully all the fittings I got work so we can get the oil cooler working. The lines were pretty close to the headers, and it looks like they're seeping through the actual hose itself. So I'm going to actually order new hoses just so that we can avoid any of that again, and we're going to reroute them a little bit farther away from the headers. So for now, what I'm going to do is put the fenders on, since I've never seen the car with fenders on it, and I have 2 perfect fenders. A little worried about them, honestly. Wow. Alright, so it's been a couple of days. In those days, I have done a little bit of work here and there. I do work full-time to actually pay for this, and it's hard to record everything consecutively. I've actually finished the framing for the bed, and I actually got the hood back on. Got the hood hinges bent back into place. And I apologize for the rain noise. It's actually raining here in Albuquerque, which is weird. So, see, it's actually raining in the door. We've got the structure for the bed installed. Everything is just tacked together for now. We're going to get the rest of the deck installed. I don't have enough to cover the entire thing. I was gonna go buy a sheet of 4x8 1/4-inch plate steel, but apparently they're $490 now. When I bought this one, it was $180 for a 4x8 sheet. The only thing I am gonna buy is the bar for the roll cage. I'm actually gonna do 1 hoop and then just do a couple of C-pillars and then maybe a cross brace. We're gonna get to work on the bed and the battery box, and hopefully we can go drive it. I don't know if you've ever been to New Mexico, but if it rains, your coolers stop working because they're swamp coolers. And they make you do stupid shit like this because your clothes start sticking to you because the coolers stop working. I'm not proud of this. It's just necessary. I don't have enough material to do it all in one piece, which I would like to do, but I do have this piece. And you can see it doesn't fit entirely, but what I'm going to do is scab in pieces once I get some more material. I just can't justify spending $480 on metal right now. So, gonna get this pulled off. I'm gonna build a battery box, and then we're gonna finish weld everything. Then I think we're gonna go drive it because I don't have the tube or the tube bender to finish the cage. So we might be rocking it with just the bed for a while. And we've got a new hitch installed. I just put in Hobo Freight receiver. So now we can tow the race car to the track. Check out this fitment. One of those. Buckles in, dude. Now we just gotta weld it in, cut this little piece out here so we can squeeze the battery through and make a door for it once I get more material. And for those of you telling me I'm gonna get arc burn, no, I'm not, bro. So that'll be it until I get more material and access to a tube bender, because I will not be able to get anything right unless I have proper dies and a little bit of time to figure out how to do it. I'm going to get this tacked in place. I know it covers the battery. Once I get more material to stitch in the sides, I'll cut it open and make a little door with a hinge. I'm going to throw some lights on it, and then tomorrow we're going to take it out and see how it handles with an extra few hundred pounds on the bed. Derek, finally get to put the new bed to the test and see if it drives different. Ooh, that boy. Whose tractor is that? I always think it's a diesel. Should put a tractor flap on it. Like, ding. Don't even start with me, bro. I want that so bad. We gotta pull up there and clean this windshield. No bueno. I know. You need to put an e-brake in this hole. That's right. Ah, the cord! Yes! Exhaust leak, it's fine.
Yeah, that's okay, that's normal.
Oh, smells a little funny. It has 222,000 miles. So I'm just waiting for it to explode. Clutch it.
Alright.
Second. There you go. Let it out. There you go. Now just cruise.
Oh, sick! It is still out! Bitch, what's up?
Just let off the gas.
Oh.
Oh, a little popper down.
That's not.
I wanted to see it happen, okay?